What's up guys, it's Clay here with Verus Engineering again. Today what I'm going to be doing is installing our front wheel deflectors on my 2013 BRZ. What these wheel deflectors are going to do for you, they're going to help reduce drag by channeling the airflow to the underbody of the car, keeping it away from the front of the wheels, just giving you a little bit cleaner airflow there. First step of the process, as you can see, we are doing it on the ground today, so we are going to want to get the car up in the front. So we'll start with that. All right, so to do this install, what we are going to need is a small and a large flathead screwdriver. A flashlight is extremely helpful, a 1.5 millimeter Allen wrench, a 4 millimeter Allen wrench, and then a 5 millimeter socket and ratchet. All right, what you're going to get with this kit, you are going to have two of the main deflectors, a left and right hand. You're going to have two of the splitter add-on pieces and then two of the OEM bumper add-on pieces, along with your hardware bag here of assortment of nuts and bolts and washers. All right, first step of the process, as you see here, I do have our splitter end plates installed, so we're going to have to remove this. But if you do not have the end plates, there's going to be three push pins right here that you're going to want to use the small flathead to pop those off. Those do range from year to year, but they are all fairly similar. All right, so now we're on the underside. Here is the OEM wheel deflector. There's going to be four push pins on here that we are going to use a large flathead to pull out. These are not the easiest to get out of here, so it may take some persuasion, but that's the next step. Once the OEM wheel deflector is removed, we are going to be reusing three of these, so do your best not to break them. I did break one of these. Luckily you only need three of them, but on the top side there are little washers. That's partially the reason they're hard to get off, but you will want to keep those three washers and three of these clips. All right, so this next point might be hard to see on camera, but just to show you, so imagine this screwdriver is the fender liner. If I can get it up underneath there. So the screwdriver is the fender liner, so it's going to go push clip through the front wheel deflector, two of the supplied washers, and then that OEM washer. But those are going to go on the top side of the fender liner, and we will want to install the centermost clip first. All right, so once you get all three of those bumper clips back in there, what you're going to want to do is you're going to have to decide which ones are going to work. So I have the front splitter, so I'm going to go with the little bit longer ones because these are the splitter add-ons. If you have an OEM style install, you're going to use the smaller brackets here, but you're going to use two of the supplied button heads with one washer and one nut. It's pretty self-explanatory there. You'll want to figure out which side, and then the little side that points up will kind of, let me show you here, kind of go there, and then it uses that button head cap screw on the splitter as just another point of attachment. All right, so install is now complete. I'm gonna get a light here for you. So since I did the splitter install, like I said, it's that longer bracket, and then you're gonna want the button head on the front side with the washer and the nut on the back. These are nylock nuts, so they're gonna resist backing off. You're gonna wanna use that washer on the top side with the button head there on the bottom. And like I said, the install is now complete. Now you want to do the same thing on the other side, and you will be all done. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Now what I'm gonna do here, we're gonna want to put those push pins back in the bumper. Unless you have the end plates like I do, then you will want to reinstall the end plate at this point. And then like I said, we'll go to the other side, we'll do the other side, and we're all complete. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and until next time.